Introducing MaKami's innovative Early Learning and Childcare program. With both 1-year certificate and 2-year diploma program options, you'll gain the knowledge and skills necessary to foster the development of each unique child. Modeled around various educational approaches and cultural perspectives, MaKami's ELCC program takes a holistic approach to learning. With a blend of technological and traditional approaches, you will be fully equipped to work in daycare centers and day homes alike. MaKami's ELCC program works around your schedule through our flexible, blended program with evening classes available, all delivered on your brand new laptop. Embracing the Alberta Flight Framework standards, we soar beyond expectations, nurturing and growing our next generations. Join us and embark on a fulfilling adventure in early childhood education. Get pre-approved now at MaKamiCollege.com.